Hey YouTube, it's Cape Cod Cuda. This is on a car lot, and I think it's a F800, I guess. It's a F800 that they put the pickup bed on. They cut the frame down, moved the back axle forward, and put the pickup bed on. Fiberglass the fly windows in. I always wanted to do this to either a Chevy or Ford truck. So they cut the back frame piece off and slid the axle forward. Right here's the frame. That's how much of the frame they cut out. Cut all this stuff out. Cool little toolbox, huh? Here's the drive shaft. It's probably a two-piece drive shaft. They actually already have a drive shaft in there. I came over here the other day to look at a four-door Ford F350 and seen this and wanted to inquire about it. They're closed right now. I came over to inquire about it again, and they're closed, so I'm just shooting a little video. This is an F800. It's a diesel motor. Has air conditioning. I don't know if they're selling it on the lot or they're gonna try to finish it. But I'd be interested in it. Like I said, I wanted to build one of these. I like big trucks, commercial vehicles, so this would be cool. You get the tilt nose on it. That's really cool. You get the big rims on it. Later on, you could slap some Koas on here. It's got some really good sneakers on this, huh? It's got some nice tread on them. Oh yeah, those are like brand new. That is really cool. Okay, I'm gonna finish this video up. Some pogo sticks in the front. Finish this off with a bunch of lights. Maybe a smokestack, I don't know. But it's really cool. Not too close. You see they cut the wheel arches. They taped it off. They cut the other side to match the radius of this bed so that they'll flow evenly. They cut it on this side already, and they cut it flush like the bed. The bed's flush with the bed, so they cut that flush, and then they put that same radius as the bed. Doing a good job. I'd like to get it and finish it if I could. Cape Cod Cuda, signing out.